You've been thinking about it. You've seen the posts, you've heard the buzz, but let me tell you, the Signature CEO Conference isn't just another event on your calendar. It's the experience that will change the way you lead, create, and grow your business. You're probably asking, why should I attend? As a creative entrepreneur, you wear a lot of hats. You're building, managing, and dreaming all at once. But here's the truth. Growth doesn't happen in isolation. It happens when you step into the rooms that challenge your thinking, expand your vision, and connect you with people who understand your journey. That's what this conference is all about. The next question you're asking is, what makes the Signature CEO Conference different? There are plenty of conferences out there, but the Signature CEO Conference is in a league of its own. Here's why. Curated for creative entrepreneurs. Every session, every speaker, every experience is designed for you. The visionary who wants to scale with strategy and lead with impact. Depth over height. This isn't about surface level tips. It's about actionable strategies, real conversations, and transformative insights you can implement immediately. Community that feels like family. You're not just attending, you're joining a tribe of like-minded leaders who believe in collaboration over competition. Experiential learning. From workshops to fireside chats to curated networking experiences, this conference is immersive. You don't just learn, you engage, connect, and grow. This is the momentum you need. Imagine walking away with clarity on your next big move, strategies to scale your business, and relationships that open doors you didn't even know existed. That's the ROI of the Signature CEO Conference. It's not just an event, it's the catalyst for your next level. So don't wait, secure your spot, step into the room where creativity meets strategy, where leaders become visionaries, and where you take your business and your impact to heights you've only imagined. The Signature CEO Conference is where it all begins.